Welcome everybody. I'm a digital lawyer from my other country, but here I've been born and have my children, and that's why I do many cultures I share with my countrymen, my Jawan countrymen, my Malay countrymen, my Darabon countrymen. I welcome today the cockatoo dances, Ranba. Ranba ngarai, kaum gangan kunjing, kaum lokan ni wala ngingkulong, na wala mam, mungkui ni wala nyiburi, nan bagiraan nunan, ngarai kayo lokan gan kunjing. Thank you very much. Nungkanay ni wala festival lo, yurangolong, nyamborok nanan na wala burunga festival. Kun yun nanan. Yangan boy festival ni wala budaya ni mangay ni lokanay culture ni magonay. I said we thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for everybody to come and see the culture and dance today for the white cockatoo. And our culture is to dance all day long from generation to generation. All different kinds of language today. I know that you still got our culture going. Thank you very much to see your face today. I'm so happy. Tara.
Wrong because you just shut up, blah. As soon as you know there's somebody driving in, you just shut up, blah. Look, you shut up still, blah. You get a barge frown right up there. And as soon as you make one of these sets, come on, hands up all the time. And you go wherever you go on the front of that finger, You the two, but we meet the two person coming down.
Yeah, two hassle people like you and back. And you ma, Jinga, talk me down. You ma got a mouse and who else got a name? You look around, but teammates, you know, for playing yourself.
All through this game, I'm playing for play teamwork, defending, everything good. What do that? Do yeah.
And you play game, don't.
It's gonna be 10 minutes.
Before and after picture.
Come on.
Should be ready any part.
Let's go. Coming together. Together, boys. Yeah, come on.
Too far away. Okay guys, this is your only chance to object to the fellas over there playing against you. Don't go sooking the pole later on. Have a look now. Anyone got any objections to these blokes as they played with another side over the weekend? Now's your chance.
Yeah, right.
He's going from number right
Thanks, Owen. You guys all happy? Yeah. Okay, before we get any further, down to the main side. Anything deliberate, late, malicious, scoreboard attendants will watch you for 5 minutes and put you back on. You are one short. The other lot sent Dwayne off. Surprise, spent 5 years in a row. And Brucey Lake gone off. Don't do it, guys. You've been warned. There will be no warning, you just yellow card. If it's really nasty, you'll be red carded. It's still 5 minutes, but you can't come back, someone else can come on. Everyone happy with that? Yep. Okay, oh, and please, watch out for us. Flat foot. A couple of goes back, he's got a very sore shoulder.
You stay away from the ball when it's coming down.
Yeah. We are untouchable. You've got to go round us. Okay, captain.
Okay. It's we here to protect our winnings here for the last 3 years. Yep. Sabi, this is our oval. Yeah. Burunga Festival, our festival. It's we gonna make it that change now. And we don't want to make it that change to give it away. Sabi? Yep. We got a history here, and let's hold it. Let's go! Let's go! Play through. You want the ball? We want 2 quarters to play. You want that ball? We play in front. We fucking get it hard. All right? Yeah. No jip or anything. No silly one. Don't jump out, follow us. Come on. Wait! Oh, no, cut.
And so, winners of the men's football game final, Burunga Festival 2011, the number 1 Eagles. And a backflip. And a backflip. Backflip. 6 everyone. Just before you go, just want to end it.
You come on, you guys, son.
I would like to thank everyone for such a success, and congratulations to all the winners, all the runners-up, everyone here. Like one of the biggest ones as yet. But it was the festival. Hey girl! I'd like to call 30, one of the coaches. Hey, I think you got a game to you and Thank all the sponsors.